In this video tutorial we are going to show you how to clean the DTC1250e card printer. Open the printer door and remove the printer ribbon and cards from the input hopper. When you've finished, close the printer and hopper door. To clean your printer, you need FARGO cleaning kit, part number 086177. The following items should be in the cleaning kit. Cleaning instructions, 3 alcohol long cards, and 4 print head cleaning swabs and 10 adhesive back cleaning cards. This video shows how to use adhesive back cards to clean the printer. Perform this procedure approximately every 1000 cards to maintain consistent print quality. Remove the adhesive backing from both sides of the card. Please note, if your printer has a magnetic encoder, ensure you leave the small liner strip along the top. Switch on your printer by pressing the power button at the front. Insert the cleaning card into the single feed slot until the card stops. Now, from your computer, click Start, click Devices and Printers, right-click DTC1250e card printer, click Printing Preferences, click Toolbox, click Clean Printer tab, then click on the Clean button. This procedure is designed to thoroughly clean the platen and the card feed rollers inside the printer. Now we are going to perform the print head cleaning procedure. Remove the swab from its packaging. Turn off the printer and unplug the power cord. Open the printer ribbon cartridge door. Swab the tip back and forth across the top of the print head and allow to dry before sending the print job. Load your ribbon and cards back to your printers.